I would like to welcome my special guest, constitutional lawyer and civil rights litigator, Andrew Lieb.
Andrew Lieb is going to help us do it, managing attorney of Lieb at Law.
Joining me now is attorney Andrew Lieb. Andrew, it's good to see you.
We have policy law expert, attorney Andrew Lieb.
He's an expert in compliance cases.
Constitutional lawyer Andrew Lieb.
Real estate attorney.
Housing attorney.
Employment attorney.
A business attorney and host of Lieb podcast.
Welcome back, Attorney Lieb. You are no stranger to BNC Live.
Thanks for joining us today, Andrew.
Want to get your thoughts on whether affirmative action has any future in this country.
The compelling interest in this case was that diverse student body creates a robust exchange of ideas like you and I are having right now.
An attorney who litigates discrimination cases says the new measure may face legal pushback.
The case law shows that it should be overturned.
Legal expert Andrew Lieb says Baldwin and others will likely face lawsuits.
As to civil, yeah, there's going to be civil cases coming from this.
Is this a victory or defeat for abortion rights groups?
Natalie, I want to point out that it's neither a victory or a defeat. The Fourth Amendment guarantees people the right to not have police use excessive force.
These acts were from 1994 to 2004, and to just get victims talking was a big deal.
We spoke with an attorney about what this means for former President Trump in the short term. Take a listen.
Serious because this is just the start of it all. The judge made clear in the decision that he takes his business seriously. Governor Cuomo made a lot of enemies along the way, and a lot of people want blood from him.
Where can employers, however, turn for guidance in times like these to avoid misinformation and disinformation?
You have to have what's called an ultimate belief about life, death, or purpose.
Kelly, what a challenge of our day.
It defies logic.
Employment lawyer Andrew Lieb says the new guidance from the New York State Labor Department regarding legalized recreational marijuana is going to hurt employers.
Employers handcuffed for doing anything against marijuana.
Can a former president, not the current president, can a former president say we have executive privilege? That's an interesting question.
New York Code of Rules and Regulations that was requiring by September 27th that all medical personnel get vaccinated was written improperly to start off with. It should have always had a sincerely held religious exemption. He's being alleged with falsifying a hate crime, which raised a lot of anger among the public because this is a very serious thing to allege.
We want to see employees getting better benefits, but when you put the onus on the employer, you're going to find bigger employers being able to satisfy the bill, getting the top talent, and leaving small business in the tracks. And this is a major concern that no one's really talking about.
900 people on a Zoom call were fired in front of each other.
Tashani, ambushed is the right term because that's what happened when 900 people were fired. It's a disaster. And the reason it's a disaster is that you have different states with different rules and different cities with different rules and different counties with different rules.
What a great question.
Constitutional attorney Andrew Lieb, thanks for joining us today.
Attorney Lieb, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Andrew Lieb, as always, thank you so much. And especially tonight, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Andrew Lieb, always a pleasure to have you on the show. We got you on speed dial.
Thanks so much for joining us this morning and for all of your insight.
Thank you.
Thank you.